Hi guys, here's the open box review and fitting test for this cupcake pans made up of aluminum foil. Let's open the box to see what's included. It's including the welcome letter with the customer support information. Very nice. And also you got two parts. One is aluminum foil pan, the other one is plastic cover. For the aluminum foil pan, it's 5 ounce. It's about a 3.5 inch wide, 2.5 inch on the bottom wide, and a little bit of wide and 1/4 inch height. And here's the plastic cover. This is a make, everything's beautiful. You can also get this cover for every single pans, and very good quality. You can see very straightforward, very good stiffness of the aluminum foil. Here's everything put together. It's a beautiful set. Now let me put those fitting tests to my 5-quart air fryers. I can put 4 mini cupcake foil pans into my air fries, no problem. You know, everything fitting perfect. You get a 40 packs, 5 ounce aluminum foil pans, perfect for your air fryers and good quality. I really like it. 5 stars from me. Thank you.